Here I have REALME Narzo 20A, and today I'm going to show you how to clear credentials from this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the security section, then go to the install remove, and here you have to select an option remove all user certificates, and then confirm it by tapping OK, and after that credential storage will be erased. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.